are you hearing emotionally in that? This becomes your raw data, and you're going to get a lot of that data. But how do you interpret the data? This is where something like the persona technique comes in handy. So when I had previously done some work with Mondelez, they created 6 customer personas. And what they actually did is they created these life-sized cardboard cutouts, and each one had a little board that they were holding, and it had about 10 key points about every single persona. And every 2 weeks, they rotated these cardboard cutout personas. But they were in front of the lunchroom, they were in front of the pantry, you know, they were on the way to the restrooms, for example. They were where people would see them. But what Mondelez was doing was basically saying, can you look at your data from the point of view of this core customer? And they're constantly reminding you, well, to basically do what we did in the airplane activity. Think about it from the point of view of the customer, rather than going directly into that technical task. And so that's how these things connect. The interviews are how you get the data. The empathy map is how you organize the data. The persona allows you to begin interpreting the data from multiple points of view. But the key thing I would drive home is that the entire data process begins with spotting the emotion. Don't assume they can tell you exactly what it is. Spot the emotion, drill down into it, ask why 5 times, repeat that several times. You will get the deeper insight, especially across multiple interviews. I mean, for my startup, it was 65 hours before I got my first gold nugget. 65 hours of interviews. And then all of a sudden, ding, 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 I get one, changes the business. Time very well spent.